I'm going to show you how to check how many subscribers you have and where it's located and see who subscribed to your channel. As you can see up here, it says I have 44,120 subscribers. But let me show you how to go to and see who subscribed and when. Let's go to Video Manager right here. You can see I clicked on it. And go down here to where it says Community. Click on that. Once you hit Community, you can go down to Subscribers. Click on the subscribers. These are all the people that have subscribed. And this was in, like this one right here, was in the last 20 hours and the last few days. And you can just scroll down and you can view more. And you can also go here to the top and put like most popular. And as you can see, this subscriber subscribed to my channel. He got 82,000 followers or subscribers. So it gives you your list. And you can go to these people pages and you can see more information. Or you can hit this and see how many subscribers they have, the detail. As you can see, it's got 82,624 subscribers. So that's how you view who subscribed to your channel and when they subscribed. Alright, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. And thank you and have a great day.